Here's a strategy that will save you time, money, and budget kapag magla-launch ka ng bagong campaign sa social media or sa Facebook ads. Every time na magla-launch ka ng marketing campaign, may mga phases ka na kailangan malaman leading up to the day of the event or until matapos yung campaign. Phase 1 is yung early days ng campaign. If you are still in the early phase of the campaign, huwag ka magmadali sa results because wala pang pressure or urgency yung mga customers during this time kasi kaka-launch pa lang and malayo pa naman yung target end. During this time, iisipin nila na matagal pa naman yung end ng campaign. The strategy for this is to add incentive or reasons para mag-sign up sila as early as now. Dito papasok yung early bird prices, bonuses, limited slots para at least they have a reason why they should sign up right now. Phase 2, so dito naman after a few weeks, what you want to do is to inform yung mga audiences mo until such time na nakakita na sila ng so much information or nakakuha na sila ng so much information sa iyo that they are now excited na bilhin kung ano yung in-offer mo. Pakitaan mo ng testimonials, pakitaan mo ng results, pakitaan mo ng proof na gumagana yung in-offer or binebenta mo. And then finally is yung final phase natin which is 3 to 5 days before the event or before the end of the campaign. So your strategy during this time is to remind them na malapit na matapos or malapit na mangyari yung pinopromote mo. Remind them and also show them kung ilan na lang yung available sa in-offer mo. If you understand these 3 phases, yung mga materials or mga videos or mga content na ipoproduce natin should be aligned with this